Hi dear students, welcome to our information technology class. In your textbook, the first chapter is a very interesting one. Okay? See, I am in front of you, right? I am now teaching you. How is it possible? I am in my home and you are in your home, right? And there is a lot of distance between you and us, right? I mean physical distance, right? So, even though it is that much distance, I am teaching you and you are getting what I am teaching, right? How is it possible? It is possible by means of a computer network, right? So, your first chapter is computer network. And we are going to learn today what do you mean by computer network and the components involved in computer network. Okay? And the process of communication in computer network. Finally, we are going to learn today the advantages of computer network. So, without wasting a single moment of time, shall we move on to our class? Come, let us start. Network. A computer network is a collection of computers connected to share information and resources with each other. The computers are connected using a communication medium. It may be a cable, it may be telephone lines, or it may be wireless or satellite. A computer network enables devices to share hardware devices, exchange files, and so on. You can see here multiple systems are connected using network. The main advantage of networking is many systems can communicate each other. Also, they can share different hardwares such as printer, scanner, disk drive, CD or DVD drive among themselves. And also, they can share their information among the network. Networks can be small as just two computers sharing resources with each other, or it can be large as millions of computers connected with each other to share their resources. So, a computer network can be small between two computers. The two computers can share their resources, or it can be large. That means millions of computers can connected with each other to share their resources. We all know Internet is one of the largest network of computers which is spread across the world. Internet is the largest network of computers which is spread across the world. Next, we are going to see the components of computer network. There are different components involved in computer network. Let us see one by one. The first one is message. Message is the piece of information which is transferred across the network. This could be text, voice, image, or other media. So, message is the piece of information which is transferred across the network. This is one of the important component in computer network. The next component is sender. Sender is the source. It could be a computer or the person who sent the message across the network. Next is receiver. Receiver is the person or computer who receives the message sent by the sender. And the next component is transmission media. It is the communication channel through which the message is transferred from the sender to the receiver on the network. The transmission media is the communication channel. Okay. Next is protocols. It is the standard set of rules which are followed by the systems to communicate message across the network. There are some sort of rules which are associated with the network for the communication of message. That set of rules are termed as protocols. So, protocols are standard set of rules which are followed by the system to communicate message across the network. So, the different components involved in computer network are message, sender, receiver, transmission media, and the protocol. These are the different components involved in computer network. The execution flow of this computer network. The sender will send message into the internet. The receiver will receive the message sent by the sender. These are all based on the set of rules called protocols. How it is happening in the real world. Message. Message is the information which need to send on the network. Next is sender. Sender is the device who sends the message to the receiver. Receiver is the device which receives the message which is sent by the sender. Then medium. Medium is the physical part where the message will traverse from the sender to the receiver. Let us learn about the advantages of computer network. The first advantage is data sharing. We can easily share the data from one mobile to another mobile or different computers. So data sharing is the main advantage of computer network. We can share our data very easily. That is the main advantage of computer network. The next advantage is that means the information can be retrieved even if any computer fails in the network. If one computer in the network fails, that will not be a problem for the data to be retrieved. The data can be easily retrieved from another one workstation even if one computer in the network fails. That is the main advantage of computer network. That means reliability. The information can be easily retrieved even if any one computer system fails. Next is less hardware cost. Devices like printers, scanners can be easily shared in a network. So the hardware cost for this implementation is very less in case of computer network. In this picture you can see there are two systems connected using a single printer, right? There is no need of two printers separately for these two systems. That is the main advantage. By using the single printer sharing, the both of the computers can take print. So it will reduce the implementation cost. There are some of the advantage of computer network. Next advantage is efficient uses of storage media. In network, the computers can easily share data, right? So it is not necessary to store each and every same information on all computers. It is not necessary to save the same data in all the computers, right? We can efficiently manage to store different data on different computer. That it helps to use the storage media in an efficient manner. That is one of the main advantage of computer network. It helps the efficient use of storage media. That is one of the main advantage of computer network. The next advantage is security. The information remains secure by the usage of password settings, right? So only authentic users can store the files and applications. By means of different users with different passwords, the information inside the system can be made more secure. So the security is the main advantage of computer network. It makes the information more secure. Thank you, dear friends.